But f is given by this formula. F is concave down when? Danica's chart. F is concave down when f prime is decreasing or f double prime is negative. But I don't have any graph, so I'm going to have to do a sign chart. So I need f double prime. So f prime of x, to find the derivative, I have to use the product rule. So I take the second of the two. So I'm going to think of f as being 2x, g as being e to the x. So I take the second, e to the x, multiplied by the derivative of 2x. Again, because the input variable is x, I write over dx, plus the first, which is 2x, multiplied by d over dx, of the second, which is e to the x. So now this becomes, this is 2. The derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. That's f prime. I need f double prime because f is concave down when f prime is decreasing, but I can't determine f prime being decreasing without a graph or sign chart. Since I can't do a graph, I'll do a sign chart. So f prime of x, f double prime, 2 is a multiplying constant. The derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. Don't be on autopilot, always think as you go. I need the derivative of this, but I just found the derivative of this because that's what I started with. So this is the derivative of 2x e to the x. Okay, you cannot make a sign chart with terms that are adding. This is way too big to work all at once. Plus I can factor, and a factored expression is much easier to sign chart. So the common factors are 2e to the x. That would leave a factor of 1 here, plus a factor of 1 here, plus, let's see, just a factor of x. Okay, I remember, e to any exponent is always a positive value. So this will always be positive, therefore it will have no effect on the sign chart for f double prime. The sign chart of f double prime is completely dependent upon this factor. So when x is a value of -2, f double prime will definitely be equal to 0. If I plug in a 0, just testing, this will still be positive. This will also be positive. If I plugged in a -10, this would be positive. This would also be negative. So f is concave down for x values that are less than -2.